Hello everyone, my name is Nick and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now for today's video, we're gonna talk savings. Now Black Friday, all across the shopping spectrum, you can save a massive amount of money. So I sifted through as many Black Friday ads as my eyes could handle, and these are the top discounted cameras that I can find. You ready? Let's go. All right, now the first pretty awesome deal that I found was the Nikon Z5. You get a whopping savings of $800. It is listed for $1596 when normally it goes for $2396. All right, now this camera is the ideal starter bundle. The Nikon is a mirrorless camera. It's a full frame mirrorless camera, and it comes with a 24 to 70 millimeter f4 standard zoom lens. Now, some of the highlights for this camera is quick shooting at 4.5 frames per second. Also shoots in full frame 4K at 30 frames per second. And it comes with the 24 to 70 millimeter lens, which is probably the best starter lens that you can find. It is perfect for so many different situations. So savings of $800. Thank you, Nikon. No, not Nikon. Thank you, B&H. Let's move on to the next one. All right, and the next one is the Canon EOS RP, just the body. And I think I know a little something about this camera because this is the current camera that I am using and that I'm currently filming on. So seriously, ask me anything, I know all about this camera. It's got a 26.2 megapixel CMOS sensor. It's got an LCD touchscreen, which is pretty fantastic. It is one of the best like beginner / intermediate cameras that you can buy. And it is normally $1,000, but on Black Friday, you can buy it for $900. Now for the next camera, it is the EOS R body, and it is essentially body only. It is essentially the Big Daddy camera from what I currently own. It's a full frame mirrorless camera with impressive autofocus capabilities and the ability to shoot both in 4K and full HD. Now, normally it is $17.99, but for Black Friday, it is $15.99. which comes out to a savings of $200. Pretty good. All right, now for the third camera, it is also another Canon. It is the EOS M200 creator kit. I guess they're calling it the content creator kit. Now, normally it is $650, but on Black Friday, you could buy it for $500, saving you around $150. Now, included is a 32 gigabyte memory card and a quick grip tripod with a detachable Bluetooth remote, which is great for some selfie recording. With this kit, you'll be ready to create stunning 4K videos and images that will let your skills shine. Plus, it does have vertical video support, which just turn the camera sideways. I don't know if that was just a marketing ploy, but we'll move past that. It has great eye detection AF and is perfect for talking to camera videos like this. So check it out. That is the last Canon camera that I am going to mention. So far we got one Nikon and 3 Canons. Now let's move to Sony. Now these savings on the Sony AR3 is pretty fantastic. Normally it is $2,800, but on Black Friday you can save $800 and get it for a penny under $2,000. Now it is a huge 42.4 megapixel mirrorless camera, and its claim to fame is its super fast autofocus system. AF tracking, IF track performance, and you could shoot up to 10 frames per second, which is freaking fast. It is mobile, it is flexible, it is fast as heck, and you won't compromise on any of the specs. And this just has to be mentioned, shoots in 4K, of course. All right, let's move on to the next one, and that is the Panasonic Lumix G95. With the 12 to 60 millimeter lens, that covers a wide range. Holy crap. That's probably the only lens you're gonna need for a good long time if you're a beginner. It is a micro four thirds camera, and it is sleek, it is small, it is portable, and has everything you need if you're a beginner. Normally it is $1,200, but on Black Friday you can get it for $700, saving you a whopping $500. All right, now for the last camera, it's a little pricier than all the ones that I was mentioning before. It is the Fujifilm GFX 50R. It has a huge, almost 52 megapixel sensor. And according to this review, I just want to read it. It packs a lot of quality in a rugged but small body. Couldn't have said it better myself. Now, normally it is a $4,500 camera, but on Black Friday, you can save $1,500 and get it for $3,000. All right, now those are the top discounted cameras that I could find. If I missed any, please throw them in the comment section down below. I will update the description as more deals are coming in. But If you are a beginner, these are the perfect cameras to buy, especially when they're discounted. You get a lot more bang for your buck. All right, that is all I got for today's video. If you like this video and you want to see more, make sure to like, subscribe. I appreciate you. Thank you for watching till the end, and I will see you next time. Peace.